taken the word digital arrest, so immediately they conjure up a prejudice, that I understand what is happening in the country. Now, just
digital arrest, we have taken a very strict view. You must have seen.
I have not telephoned. I am not the guy who's doing digital arrest. I am not the threatener. I am not in the charge sheet, which I have not got. I got a copy from a counsel who got a copy.
More than 58 crore rupees. You are less.
Well, I have joined.
One single victim of yours is of 58 crore something. Total transaction is 500.
I am not supposed to have called them. I'm supposed to be alleged money launderer doing the layering of the money. I am only in that role, in the intermediary of the layering of the money.
Pivotal role of conversion of fiat currency into cryptocurrency without the
all the
prescribed RBI rules.
Right. Now,
that is the issue. That's why we asked this question, that why only one FIR?
So,
Makoka should have been invoked.
No. Just note that I am not named in the complaint of the FIR, page 43. Just turn to. I'll just give you a Lordship's 4 pages. This is important. Cumulative impact is important. 43 to 52 is the FIR. Not named, no role assigned. That is way back in 2018, etc. Then
you are the, they say, kingpin.
The kingpin, I want to demolish that. I agree, but that's your Lordship's impression. I appreciate that. That's the impression tried to be given. Let me try to show why I'm not even a pin, much less a kingpin. First is,
I think you are the person who they say you are.
So therefore just bear with me.
Well,
so just note, the FIR is filed 7-8 years ago. I am not there from page 43 to 52. Just park that point about kingpin. Then I am given notice at page 99 under section 41A, currently 35.3 of the BNSS. That is a notice on page 99.
The problem is that you must have seen our order in that digital arrest scam matter. You have taken a very...
I read that, and your Lordship will punish them harshly, but everybody who is not an accused can't be. They take the word digital arrest. I am also against that, but this is not the way to punish me. Just bear with me. Just see the pages, then I'll leave that. 4 pages.
They
have taken the word digital arrest, so immediately they conjure up a prejudice, that I understand what is happening in the country. Now, just
digital arrest, we have taken a very strict view. You must have seen.
I have not telephoned. I am not the guy who's doing digital arrest. I am not the threatener. I am not in the charge sheet, which I have not got. I got a copy from a counsel who got a copy.
More than 58 crore rupees. You are less.
I have joined investigation 8 times. I'm only on
500 crore.
3 copies. 3, not 2. Kindly see, 8 times they've called me after a notice. I am only on one point. After 35.3, which is 41A, what is the necessity of arrest after 8 times joining? Just see this 8 dates. Just see the 8 dates quickly. Just turn to page 40, item number 14. Kindly hand over the list of dates, sir. I am on the necessity of arrest only. So, first I am not in FIR. I am not in the body of the charge sheet. Then, they give me a notice at page 99 dated 15/1/26 about 41A. Now come to item number 14 in the list of dates. 14. Does my Lord have page? Don't give page numbers, just to make life more difficult. But last but one page. Last but. 14. The petitioner joined the investigation, one date. 15. 23rd January, second time. 3rd, questionnaire sent to me. Then item 17, I joined investigation. IO was busy. 18, again joined investigation from 1 to 6 p.m. 19, I again joined investigation. 20, I replied a questionnaire, answered detail, etc. 21, again joined investigation. 22, again joined investigation. Please consider if the until says, Your Lordship, until says.
Please see your note, para 4, serial number 5.
Yes. That's right. Now, this role is in the notice to my sessions application for anticipatory bail, the reply filed to my application before they called me. My Lord is right. This item 6, my Lord is referring to this, is in response to my anticipatory petition. It is filed on 23rd of December, after which they have called me 8 or 9 times and given me a notice. I am only saying, if until has to have any meaning, just turn to one para of until.
There are in one case itself, there are specific allegations against you that you called the complainant and his wife, got them digitally arrested. took 58 crore, 13 lakh 50,000 from them only. One single victim of yours is of 58 crore something.
supposed to
Total transaction is 500.
I'm not supposed to have called them. I'm supposed to be alleged money launderer doing the layering of the money. I'm only in that role, in the intermediary of the layering of the money. I'm only asking myself one question, until just turn to one page of the paper, Google 116. Until there 7 years or less is the punishment.
No.
You called me under 41A.
Allegation, do you think, Dr. Singh, that he should not be even custodial interrogation should not be there?
Well, 8 times interrogation should be sufficient. Well, what is the need for custody over 3 years now? Well, until page 116 is precisely on this point. Just see 116 for a minute on the paper book. Your Lordship has reiterated until is an old, until is a recent, until of 2025. Wallace. Para 26, where it is less than 7 years or 7 or less. Secondly, where 41A has been given. Thirdly, where I have joined 8 times. Until come to 26, Wallace. Kindly come to it. This is a very recent judgment, Wallace. Very recent judgment.
Other FIR should have been lodged in respect of. Not been lodged.
Not charge sheet also. Charge sheet only.
I'll have to seek instructions from
You have no expert.
Well, I'm not even called in the charge sheet. Now just see this para. Just see the para, Wallace, 116.
There is a soft peddling, Dr. Singh.
Well, the
Soft
prejudice I
peddling.
know is great. Well,
500 crores.
but the amounts are, well, the Lordship knows
It's not amount
the
only.
prejudice, even the lawyer.
It's a pivotal role. Pivotal role of conversion of fiat currency into cryptocurrency without the
But Wallace, all the sections.
prescribed RBI route.
Right. Now let's
That is the issue.
All the-
That's why we asked this question, that why only one FIR?
So, Malus-
Makoka should have been invoked.
No, now that's important.
Multiple FIRs against them.
That's an important question. Your Lordship has all the sections at Wallace reproduced at page 41 of the FIR.
Correct, that is what,
All of them are 7 years or less.
Dr. Singhvi, that
All.
is exactly what is going through our mind. That just citing of specific sections, when the profile of the crime shows an organized crime activity, will these sections be sufficient or a deeper probe should be made? That is what is
In my petition, Your Lordship.
Otherwise, you are absolutely on dot. You have cooperated, this 7 year sentence, so you should.
And para 26 said 116.
The most disturbing feature is that in digital arrest, all are 22 years old.
They don't know how to.
Well, those are the facts of the case. I have nothing to do with that. What question will you get out of me? What answer will you get out of me, Wallace? I will 100% continue to cooperate as I have done 8 times. I will not run away. I can't, Wallace. Kindly see the arrest. The Lordship is the doctrine of arrest. If I am under trial or an accused, I am innocent. It is prejudicial, I know. It's happening all over the country. But don't punish me with the prejudice, Wallace.
She will be something, we will be passing self-contradictory orders. There we have taken a very strong and harsh view that in digital arrest matters, senior citizens are victim and lifelong earnings are going. Entire money in one stroke of.
Use one thing. I am not part of the telephone or the threat. I am part of the money laundering after you get the money from the bank accounts. That's the allegation. In a chart filed in the charge sheet, without me making a name or without describing my role, they give a chart of how the money traveled. So there I am alleged to be guilty of money laundering. I am not the chap who telephoned them, terrorized them, restrained them, etc. And I've come 8 times. What more will you get out of me, Melissa? Lordship will consider.
Not a case.
Right. Well, can your Lordship consider, if we surrender, well, expeditiously at least, well, they consider. They've been calling me, well, I've been there all the time.
No case to grant pre-arrest bail is made out if the petitioner surrenders. And thereafter applies for regular bail. Commander said, patiently decided expeditiously. Clarified that we are not
Subject to prayers for police custody. Police custody लेगा.
You haven't thought it fit to arrest me for so long.
on completion of the custodial interrogation, if the petitioner applies for regular bail, that's his petition to decide with expedition.
I am deeply obliged. Very deeply obliged.